Hi, this is Bob from Wams Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to set your presets for your printer, so that way to save you time when you go to print similar jobs in the future. Now, all you have to do is go to print. I'm going to hit Command P to print, and you'll see that when I'm in Chrome, it brings up the Chrome print dialog for just quick, easy prints, right? You have your pages and copies and layout and so forth, right? We do have more settings here where you can change the scaling and so forth. Now, to set your presets, you actually have to do this on the Mac side of things, not within Chrome. So to do that, you're going to hit print using system dialog. In the future, you can hold down Option Command P in order to skip this print setting and go directly to the system dialog. Now, this is the typical Mac print dialog menu, and here you can select your printer. Same thing with copies and pages and all that. If you don't see all of this information on all of the additional features like how many pages per sheet or color matching and all this, it's probably because these details are hidden, right? And so you'll just need to select Show Details to see this information here. Once you do that, then you can actually change what you want for the print settings. So right now by layout, I can do pages per sheet, whether there's a border or not, two-sided, there's typical things, right? So I can make this long edge binding, which means it's going to print two-sided like a book, versus this way. Short edge binding would mean that if they flip it over, it'll be upside down, right? Long edge binding means it's going to be right side up. But there's additional features that the Ricoh printers have. For example, if I go to printer features, here's where I can see the different types of features. So here's my basic feature sets, but I can also go to finishing, and I can choose whether or not I want it stapled, right? So here's my top left staple. Fine. I can also set it to hole punch, 3 at the left. Okay, if we had a folder finisher, then we'd be able to select folding, but you can see it's grayed out because our printer doesn't support that. Now before I hit print, what I can do is I can come over here to presets and choose save current settings as a preset. And I just name it what I want. So this is two-sided, stapled, and this is two-sided, stapled, hole punched. And then it's also portrait, right? So portrait, two-sided, stapled, hole punched. And I can set this for only this printer or for all printers. Now, I recommend doing all printers, even though some printers don't support these features, because in that way you don't have to recreate this preset for the other copiers in our building, let's say. So right now I hit OK. And now I see that this is the preset here, portrait, two-sided, stapled, and hole punched. Just so you can see how this works, if I hit cancel, and I'll go to print again. Again, if I hold on Option Command P, then it brings up this dialog menu right away. And now under my presets, I can see that I have this portrait, two-sided, stapled, hole punched available. And you see that when I selected this, all those features automatically set itself. The two-sided, the log edge binding, under the printer features, under finishing, I should see that it's also stapled and then 3 to the left. And that can print and done. Right? So now this saves me so much time by just clicking one option here and then getting all those features preset for me. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me at robert.petito@woodward.edu. Thanks for watching.